Hello, and welcome back to Future Fuel. Today we're diving into a vehicle that's making a grand return and redefining the term big SUV. It's the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Excursion. Known for its immense size, rugged build, and unmatched capability, the Excursion is back with a modern twist, ready to dominate the roads and trails alike. So buckle up as we explore everything this powerhouse has to offer. Please see a Facebook page to learn more about the 2025 Ford Excursion. Ford's decision to revive the Excursion has been met with widespread excitement, and for good reason. This full-size SUV, inspired by the Super Duty truck lineup, promises to deliver a blend of massive interior space, heavy-duty performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Excursion is designed for families, adventurers, and anyone who demands the utmost in power and practicality from their vehicle. The new Excursion maintains its commanding presence with a bold and muscular design. Up front, you'll find a massive grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a modern yet aggressive look. The wide stance, high ground clearance, and rugged body lines make it clear that this SUV is built to take on anything. Ford offers a range of exterior finishes, wheel options, and off-road packages to suit a variety of tastes. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rough terrain, the Excursion is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the cavernous interior. The Excursion boasts 3 rows of seating with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Depending on the trim level, you can choose between luxurious materials like premium leather and sustainable fabrics, combined with sophisticated wood and metal accents. Cargo space is another highlight. With all seats folded down, the Excursion offers an enormous cargo area, making it perfect for road trips, camping gear, or just about anything you can imagine. Ford has also added clever storage solutions throughout the cabin to keep everything organized. The 2025 Ford Excursion is packed with state-of-the-art technology. At the heart of the cabin is a massive touchscreen infotainment system powered by Ford's latest Sync software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Passengers will appreciate features like multiple USB-C ports, a premium sound system, and available rear seat entertainment screens. For drivers, Ford offers a digital instrument cluster, advanced navigation, and voice-activated controls. Ford has also ensured that the Excursion is future-ready with its inclusion of Ford Pro Power on board, allowing you to use the vehicle as a mobile power station. Performance and powertrain options. Under the hood, the 2025 Excursion offers a range of powertrain options, ensuring there's a model for every need. The standard engine is a powerful V8, delivering impressive towing capability and plenty of grunt for everyday driving. For those seeking even more power, there's an available turbocharged diesel engine, ideal for hauling heavy loads or tackling tough off-road conditions. In addition to traditional internal combustion engines, Ford is expected to introduce a hybrid variant, offering improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The advanced 4x4 system and off-road suspension packages make the Excursion a capable companion for overlanding and challenging trails. Safety is a top priority in the new Excursion. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite comes standard, providing features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Additional options include trailer assist technology and enhanced blind spot monitoring, making this massive SUV easier and safer to maneuver. The 2025 Ford Excursion is not just a comeback, it's a statement. With its incredible size, advanced technology, and versatile performance, this SUV is ready to take on the modern world while staying true to its rugged roots. Whether you're towing a boat, embarking on an epic road trip, or simply making a bold statement on the road, the Excursion is ready for the challenge. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ford Excursion. If you're as excited as we are about this massive SUV, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Future Fuel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.